Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwatsirong Butiki. Mula doon sa makasaysayang simbahan ng Arayat, Pampanga, ang Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church o mas tanyag sa tawag na Arayat Church, nakatawid na ang Butiki ngayon dito sa makasaysayan rin na simbahan ng Candaba, Pampanga. Ang San Andres Apostol Parish Church o mas kilala rin sa pangalan na Candaba Church. Samahan niyo ako dito guys! San Andres Apostol Parish Church, commonly referred to as Candaba Church, is a 17th century Baroque church located at Barangay Pescadores, Candaba, Pampanga. The parish church, dedicated to Saint Andrew the Apostle, is under the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of San Fernando. The convent of Candaba was established on May 3, 1575, with Father Francisco de Ortiga as priest. Candaba became the missionary center of the Augustinian friars in preaching the Catholic faith to the rancherias of Arayat and Santa Ana with the permission Bishop Domingo de Salazar of Manila. Its convent once housed the school Estudio de Gramatica before the decision was made to transfer it to the convent of Lubao. The convent also became the refuge of philosophy students from the San Agustin Monastery in Manila during the British occupation of 1762. It is believed that by 1591, Candaba already had parochial structures built of light materials. Father Jose de la Cruz, described as a dynamic church builder, is believed to have commissioned the construction of a stone church from 1665 to 1669. Records do not tell of any significant damage to the stone church, leading to the conclusion that much of the structure has survived up until present times. Some accounts also show that a certain Father Felipe Guevara built a grimpula and a belfry as early as 1875. Father Esteban Ibias, in the year 1878, made several renovations to the church, including the massive dome. Father Antonio Bravo erected the tower in 1881, with 4 Hilario Sanico bells installed from 1881 to 1890. The convent was enlarged by Father Vicente Ferrer in 1854 and was consequently renovated by Father Ibias in 1878 and Father Isidro Bernardo in 1892. The church measures 200 feet high, 43 feet wide and 43 feet high. The facade and bell tower is dominated by series of vertical lines and recesses. Devoid of other detailed ornamentation, only the column capitals, fanial caps, cornices, and a saint's niche located at the center of protruding pediment break the simplicity of the facade's layout. A concrete porticochere mars the view of the entire front. To the left of the church rises the three-story bell tower topped by a silver cross. To the opposite direction in the arcaded convent with predominant semicircular arches on the first level and geometric patterns of the second level. It is reminiscent of the Art Deco style. The massive dome attributed to Father Ibias no longer exists. Mula naman dito sa San Andres Apostol Parish Church dito sa Candaba, Pampanga, papasyalan muna ng butiki ang mga iba't ibang makasaysayang lugar na minsan rin nabasa ko lang at naging lessons rin ng aking mga guro noong nasa elementarya pa ako. Mag-umpisa po ako doon sa Tandang Sora, Quezon City. Abangan niyo ko doon, guys! Bye-bye!